Watch to see the end of how I make this yummy, delicious cabbage stir fry. Hello everyone and welcome to Doritos Corner. In this video I'll be making cabbage stew. You can also call it stir fried cabbage. I'm going to begin by adding in some coconut oil. You can also use any oil of your choice, okay? And this is the amount I'm going to be using. To that I added some chopped onions. So these are diced onions. So these are diced onions. You can also chop it if you want, but this is what I'm going for with this recipe. So this is how my onions are looking. I'm going in with the next item. That is my diced tomato. And I'm going to stir it in. After adding in my tomatoes, I'm going to cover it up and let it cook in its own juices. So after 5 minutes, I'm going in to check on my stuff to see how it is going. So it looks like it has released some fine, beautiful juices. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add in my fish. And this is my smoked fish, okay? The smoked salmon that I'm using. You can use any protein of your choice. So now I'm going to check on my stew and see how it's doing. This is how it is looking with the smoke marker in there. So I'm going to introduce in the cabbage. Don't worry about the cabbage, it's a lot of cabbage, but you know, cabbage will decrease once it's cooked. So I'm going to stir it and make sure everything is well combined. I'm going to cover it up and let it steam. So now let's see how our cabbage is looking. So this is how our cabbage is looking. Very, very beautiful. I'm just going to go in with a pinch of salt, a pinch of cayenne pepper for the heat, and I'm going to add in some curry powder just for that flavor, okay? So I'm just going to stir in and make sure everything is well combined. And now our stew is done, okay? This is how I want my cabbage stew to look like. I'm going to serve it over with some rice, white rice, okay? Easy and delicious to make. Thank you so much for watching it up to this point. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment for me. I really appreciate you all. Bye for now.